Alright guys, it's time to check out Cronos. This is a pot stock if you're not familiar with it. This is our final of the videos today. If you haven't already checked out Ethereum and EOS, you can check that out. This one will just be a recap of the count. For more full detail, you can check out the full video in the comments below in the description of the video as well. We'd love to have you over in cryptocurrencyvip.com. If you want to join, you can have access to myself, Satoshi Heavy, Nebraskan Gooner, and Crypto Warrior. We're always watching majors, we're watching alts, we're watching Forex, and we do a little bit of stocks too. Specifically uranium and some weed. Even if you don't smoke it, you can make some money on it. I am projecting that we are actually pretty close to a final move in a cycle, in a wave cycle. I believe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are on log, so it looks a little bit distorted here. My 3-wave is plenty long enough though. We had a $3 move here, $3.30, and a $13 move here. We remain in an uptrend. We got the low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher lows all through here, higher highs, until we make a lower high, or excuse me, a lower low. I believe that we will continue moving up. I plotted my wave 5 right here around 70 bucks. However, there is definitely potential that we can push higher in some kind of parabolic move. But at some point we're going to crash down to reality just like we saw in crypto. Most of my followers have traded the crypto market. Some of them even bought the top. So I urge you not to buy the top in weed. I think there's still opportunity. I think we're in a continuation pattern now. I think we could go parabolic, but please pay attention to the uptrend. And as soon as that uptrend is broken, you need to be out of the market for sure. In this local move, let's take log off. I believe we have some kind of 1, 2 here before starting a larger 3-wave. Even this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. Now this would be the aggressive version of the count, because all of this would only make up the 3-wave. 1, 2, 3. And I'm not calling levels right now. It is too young of a market with too much going on fundamentally. When I say that it could go parabolic, I mean that I cannot project to where we're going to stop. There's no previous resistances. There's nothing really to use for those levels. I believe that we're probably going to complete a flat here. And after completing that flat, I think we continue to move up. So you can look for the break of this trend line, but this trend line is not quite confirmed yet, so you need to be aware of that. But I see something like this as an ABC. And you want to buy the breakout once that's confirmed. So as soon as we make a low here, lower than this one, we need to break this low. Then you can draw a trend line using whatever that high was before that low. So you're going to catch this high, you're going to catch the next high. So again, we need to come down below this. Then you draw your trend line, and you look for a break of that trend line and some kind of flag, and then you buy that flag, looking for upside. Your stop would then be at the low. Could be down here, it could be here. If we look at RSI, we've continued to make lower lows on RSI. So we have some hidden bullish divergence forming that suggests that this move could be complete at any point in time. That's really it. I don't have too much detail on pot stocks overall. I think we will continue up, but I also think that it's due for a long bear market at some point in the nearish future. Nations and states are legalizing weed worldwide, so these stocks could definitely have some insane growth potential. However, you need to be aware that once the correction starts, you'll see a bear market similar to what you've seen in crypto, where you should immediately start to either move to another market or learn to short. Alright guys, good luck in your trading. If you have any questions, just throw them down in the comments below the video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.